Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Having trouble streaming Netflix on your Samsung TV? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple steps to get Netflix up and running again on your Samsung TV. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check network connection. First, ensure your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Restart your TV. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the issue. Step 3. Update Netflix app. Make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version. Step 4. Check for Samsung TV software update. Ensure your Samsung TV has the latest software. Step 5. Reset Netflix app. Try resetting the Netflix app on your Samsung TV. Step 6. Check Netflix server status. Verify if Netflix servers are operational. Step 7. Factory reset your TV. Optional. As a last resort, consider factory resetting your Samsung TV. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Netflix streaming issues on your Samsung TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.